Did you know you use springs every day? But have you ever wondered how they're made? Well, lucky for you, what we're here to do is tell you all about how springs are made. They mine the minerals to forge the raw steel. They melt it all together and roll it into reels. Then the tiny wire that the minerals made gets spun through the machines that can shape it anyway. Compression springs, torsion springs, extension springs, and wire forms shaped or braided wire. And now they look like this, so you'd think we're done. But there's something you can't see that isn't very fun. There's stresses in the metal that can make it grow weak, but they fix it up nicely with a little bit of heat. Then they pelt with metal balls to toughen the spring. They finish the surface with a coating real thin. And once it's been tested and proven it's strong, it's ready to go and move along. Oh, Hairspring Company, their springs are the best in the industry.